Did you know posts with humor get 3x more engagement on social media than those without? That means a funny post doesn't just make people laugh, it makes them stop scrolling and actually pay attention. That's why humor is such a powerful tool for creators. In a crowded feed, funny content is what helps you stand out, get remembered, and build real connections with your audience. But here's the struggle most creators face. It's hard to be funny on demand. You might have great ideas, but translating them into content that makes people laugh isn't always easy. Sometimes the joke falls flat, sometimes it feels forced, and other times, well, nobody reacts at all. And when your goal is to grow, that can feel discouraging. So how do you actually make your content funny and engaging? First, timing. Comedy is all about rhythm, whether it's in a punchline, a reaction shot, or even just how long you pause. Second, relatability. The funniest content is usually something your audience has experienced themselves, so lean into those everyday moments. Third, storytelling. Even short-form content needs a setup and a payoff. Think of your videos like mini jokes. Build up the situation, then deliver the twist. A perfect example of this is insert a relevant funny content creator like Khaby Lame, who grew huge by making silent, relatable skits. He doesn't just tell jokes, he shows them. His timing is flawless, his content is universally relatable, and he delivers it in a way that makes it impossible not to share. That's the power of humor done right. So remember, focus on timing, relatability, and storytelling. Get those three things right, and you'll be well on your way to making content that not only entertains but also connects deeply with your audience. Now I want to hear from you. What's the funniest content idea you've seen or created? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more tips on leveling up your content, check out my other videos. Let's make social media a whole lot funnier together.